Ms. Griggs, and welcome to second grade math. On this video and during this course, I'll be going through some objectives that you might see in the classroom and go through some examples of each one. That way, when you see them in the classroom, you'll have an understanding of what you need to do. So first, we're starting off with operations and algebraic thinking. And our objective is use addition and subtraction within 100 to solve 1- and 2-step word problems involving situations of adding to, taking from, putting together, taking apart, and comparing with unknowns in all positions. For example, by using drawings and equations with a symbol for the unknown number to represent the problem. All right, so pretty much this is saying being able to solve word problems where you either have to do 1 step or 2 steps for adding and subtracting, and also learning about the content as far as the words that are used when we use these operations. That's also very, very important. And our example to go with our objective for today is Liam had 47 marbles. He gave some to his friend Maya. Now he has 29 marbles left. How many marbles did Liam give to Maya? So let's take a look at this with base 10 blocks. All right, so let's go back just to make sure. So we have Liam has 47. So let's get 47. Okay, so let's see. We have 10, 20, 30, 40. And as you can see on this tool, it's also calculating what we're putting down. So we have 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So we have 47, but if we go back, we see that he now has 29 marbles left. So what we could do is take away 29 from this 47, and then whatever is left will answer our question. Well, if we look at this, let me get my pen. So what we're having to do is the same as 47 minus 29. Now, if we look at this with the base 10 blocks, well, there's not enough ones to take 9. So what we could do is break apart this one of these. We could break apart one of these. Let's break it apart. All right, so now that we have broken this apart, we now have these 10 that we broke apart plus the 7 that were already there. So now we have 17 ones, which is perfect. That's going to give us enough to be able to take away 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we have 8 ones left. And we also need to take away 2 tens because it was 29. So let's take away this 10, so that's 10 and 20. So this leaves us with 18. Well, now that we've done this with base 10 blocks, let's see if we can figure it out over here as well. Now, as we saw with our base 10 blocks, we saw that we cannot do 7 minus 9 because we do not have enough ones here to take away. So we're going to have to borrow from here. So we have to borrow and make this 4 into a 3. And then the 10 that we borrowed, we're going to move over here. So 10 plus the 7 that was already there makes 17. So now we can subtract. So 17 minus 9 is going to give us 8. And 3 minus 2 will give us 1. So as we see with both the base 10 blocks as well as just working out the problem in a standard format, we get 18. So let's go back to our problem and wrap that up. All right, so now our problem, let me delete that. All right. So again, our problem says Liam had 47 marbles. He gave some to his friend Maya. Now he has 29 marbles left. How many marbles did Liam give to Maya? Well, now we know that Liam gave 18 marbles to Maya, and that's how he was left with 29. So I hope that that was helpful to you, and I hope that you are enjoying this series and this course, and that you will come back and join me. Well, thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining my tutoring session today. If you enjoyed the way that I instruct, and you think that I would be a useful addition to your student or to yourself, feel free to scan this QR code. It is going to take you directly to my profile page where you can get set up on weekly classes with me. Looking forward to seeing you in the classroom.